Me, I don't get anything I want tell any guy man. No. Me, I don't get anything I want tell any guy man because me, as a guy, I don't reason am. See, I say this life no really dey easy. Especially me, we come from one kind home, Christian home, wey be say papa na Christian, mama na Christian. Na only wetin pastor talk na dey lis ten. Na be the thing. Every day of my life, my papa dey sing for me. Dey use am dey sing for me say make I no go use him pikin do ritual, make I no go use am do ritual. How I go take use you do ritual? Okay, you dey fear now as my father because you know say you no do anything for me as your son. You come dey think say I wan go do ritual. Why I go do ritual? Why I go do ritual? Ritual, I no even sure whether ritual dey exist. Nothing like ritual. Me, I no know why all these our fathers dem go dey believe on all these things wey dey act for movie. Because if you watch all this sacrifice, all this orgy, all this wey dey do na from movie all this thing take start. Aki and Popo dem, Patient Ozorku dem, Sam Iloko dem, Mr. Ibu dem, Wicked Uncle, all those one dem dey act wicked uncle dem for village. If you see am, you go still know say all those things na for film e take start. You go see woman wey go talk say im na eze nwanyi. You go buy biscuit, buy sweet, buy everything, carry dey go river. You dey carry am dey go river now, wetin your mind dey tell you wey you dey carry that thing dey go river? So to me, I feel say our father dem generation, Christianity really scam dem a lot. And I thank God for this generation say we no dey too lis ten to Christianity, we no dey too give that kind space for all those pastors to fit manipulate us. Because all those pastors dem dey manipulate person. When dem don manipulate you finish now, then you now as a failing person wey you know say last you don fail, you come find as you go take manipulate your own for your children head. Because I don observe, I don see am say this our father dem wey no get money na format dem dey take dey throw us. Format wey we go take say last adult school na adulthood no be any scam o. Because I don see person wey dey 25 years, im parents still dey send am money. So wetin anybody go fit do for im family or go fit do for im pikin, all these men go use church, use juju for village, use native doctor dey escape am, dey throw your children lamba. So wetin I dey talk? I just dey talk say e dey good for this life make guy man dey straight im hand. But that my father now wey dey think say I dey do ritual now, wey dey everyday go dey sing for me say make I no go use im pikin do ritual, make I no go use im wife do ritual.
Your father,
Make e dey see o, my father na, make e dey see.
maybe dey pray for us that time, make better for us.
Okay,
Na life come better for.
see make I tell you, all those things wey you dey see now, make you just do am for your front. I dey tell you, all those things wey you dey do na. Because tell me why your pikin go buy land since 2022, your wife wey you know say na my stepmother go carry the land go put for under of im bag. All the money wey I dey give you as my father, you carry am dey squander, dey do wetin you like. Dey tell me say because you never touch that kind money before. I no understand. Because of
am before now, why the money?
na im be the thing, na because of Christianity now. Na wetin be that thing wey I dey talk, na Christianity cause am. Because if to say like say pastor no dey brainwash my papa, say e get curse wey hold am for somewhere, or e get person dey do juju for am, my father no go think, or my father suppose to don think say omo na loose guard I dey loose guard o, na me dey deceive myself o. Because tell me why I no go fit waka use my leg go where my pikin send me, or go wetin I know say go bahulu for me and my pikin.
Okay.
If you dey see all those parents dem go come find excuse.
Get one wey no sabi act like.
Yes na, all those parents dem dey know, dey don see bro, no just waste your time say you dey convince your mama, you dey convince your papa. Dem know say all those pastors na scam. Dem know say all those things na scam, but dem just position am for you based on say dem no get any other option. Film.
Make dem for sick.
You understand? Based on say you don watch film na, so dem come do am like say na for film. Say you know say na our parents dey manipulate all those things. E go make money last because you see person dey suffer for film, make I come suffer. You know whether if you suffer you go make money. Why you no help am? Family dey come together help person.
Yes.
Okay, if your family now come together now, come help you now, give you like 5 million after you don finish your secondary school, finish your university, give you 5 million, 10 million make you start up your life. Tell me how you no go fit prosper in life.
Must pass.
But dis one right from small na you go dey cater for yourself, cater for yourself, cater for yourself, cater for yourself to show you sey all those parents dem wey no even make money, wey know sey dem no do dem duty as a parent na scam. Dem dey use all those pastors dey scam us, dem dey train us in the way of God, so we go get fear, we no go wicked dem. When we don get sense know sey dis pipu do us bad, we no go come fit get mind do dem wetin dem do us back, because dem know sey anybody dey worship God dey get soft heart, so dem come put fear of God inside our body. But thank God for dis generation sey we get sense, we get sense.
Everything go soon stop.
You no understand, all those things don stop already. All those things don stop. Me I don already made up my mind sey I no dey send anybody do anything for me again. As I dey suffer so dey hustle, dey do my tiles work, dey do my engineering work. Person come now come give me contract now, come make my money finish now, come suffer finish now. Tomorrow I carry the money give person, you come do another thing for me. No, I no go try am oo, I go use my hand. So you wey be guy man wey dey watch me now, anything wey you wan do, no go dey say your father say or you wan, just use your hand do am. If you do am finish, surprise your father. If your father na the type wey wey like to dey do things, you understand, then after you don already secure one or two things for yourself before you go involve am. So when you involve am, the things wey you go dey in charge of, e no go affect your own pocket wey you dey take, because family, parents dey like to dey in charge, and when dem don dey take in charge like dis now, if you wan block all those places now, you go be bad person. You go must find way to make sure sey either dey go dey fight your wife, say na your wife dey cause make you no dey give dem money, you go dey fight your friends wey dey help your life, or dey go dey find every means for you to dey useless. If you no think deep, only pipu wey know wetin I dey talk go fit relate to dis my talk. You fit look me now fit say I no know wetin I dey talk, but I dey tell una fucking truth. Dis our parents dem, all dis pipu dem know wetin dem know sey all dis pastors na scam, dem know. Even all those women wey dey dey for that church, all of dem know. But based on sey dem don already born children and dem know sey dem no train those children well, dey go wan train dem in the way of God, so dem go get fear of God. So you as im pikin now, or we now as dem pikin, no go treat dem as dey take treat us. If your father dey treat you well, thank God oo. You no go fit relate to dis thing wey I dey talk. Na only pipu wey dem father treat bad and pipu wey dem mother no dey around with, na im go fit relate to dis my talk. You understand. So if you know sey your father, you and your father dey in a good terms, just waka go front, just keep. You no understand, you fit just cool. But I just dey tell the pipu wey be sey all of us dey in the same position and the same place. To my own thinking and to my own understanding, I feel like to share am with una. So anybody wey fit pick something from dis one, na im own oo. Peace out guys.